See just how dirty this filter is. It's pretty dirty. You're doing mostly dry vacuum. I'm sure you've opened one before that was like so thick you don't know how any air gets through.
Yeah, exactly.
But you know, it's like a filter on your car. Your car breathes better when it has a clean air filter. Now, you could run without a filter, but then you're gonna run all the dust into your bearings on your vacuum and you'll burn it up. But also, if this is full, it starves your vacuum. You don't get as much suction. We're giving you the filter guard here. I'm gonna hold this and you install that. It's just gonna slide right over your filter. Now, is that stuff pretty slick, that filter guard?
It's incredibly slick.
Yeah, we've got a weight in the bottom of that thing. So when the vacuum turns on, it's gonna pull that up. And then when the vacuum shuts off, it's gonna drop anything that might stick to this is just gonna drop into that vacuum. But 3 months from now, we're gonna come back and that's still gonna look clean and your vacuum's gonna have full suction and perform better the whole time.